Hello everyone, I am Maheshwari Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology at Dr. S.M.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to explain about basic concepts of software engineering. It implies the concept of structural simplicity, visibility, feedback and tolerance and reusability. The concept of structure. This is the initial stage how to design the software applications and user interface which deals with overall UI architecture. It provides the structural data of software applications with combined applications related data and separated the unwanted things. The concept which makes the software applications to be well organized, innovative, understandable and useful, satisfy the certain criteria. The concepts of simplicity. This process indicates the design of software applications user interface should be simple, long-lasting, user-friendly with user controls over the user interface, sustainability, clarification of complexity, accurate throughput response, maximum usability and users language. We accept all other users do the mistakes on UI, justify our data, don't develop busy interface and explain the rules that are the best tips for the design of user interface for the software applications. The concepts of visibility. The concepts of UI design techniques involves the visibility of user interface for the software applications. It mainly deals with the graphical user interface. The alignment is correct or not, spell checking, position or logo or banners, consistency, easy to navigate with status, colors, brightness of UI and without hesitation of the users so that it looks and feels of the interface should be perfect, clarity, progressive disclose, transparency and error preventive. The concept of tolerance. This is the one of the concept of user interface designs for the software applications uh, which deals or affects the budgeting of applications. The user designer will design the interface that will be always flexible and tolerant. So it is reducing the cost or network of the user interface changes. For any stages of the applications, the UI should be tolerable in sense. The concepts of reusability. This is the last technique of the user interface design. The designers would be designed the way where the user's interface should be reusable inside the software applications. Some internal or external components, behavior of the components, consistency of the application should be reused inside it so that the users should not remember the interrelated process flow of the applications on the user interface. It provides some shortcut keys to the users for easy to work on that. The types of user interfaces. It has a lot of types: graphical user interface, command line interface, form based interface, menu based interface and natural language interfaces. This shows the types. This diagram shows how the interfaces has a lot of types. Graphical user interface, it is simply known as GUI. It is one of the best interface. Typically you would expect these types of interface to be available in multitasking environment. It will be helps to have a GUI hundreds of times when you used Windows, Word or Star Office applications or Paint in primary schools, etc. can be considered in GUI. Next one is forms. Some operating systems are designed for business where the employees have to enter in lots of information. Just for moment consideration, a paper-based form that you ask to fill, perhaps for the membership of a club or an application for dividing license, what you have to return in highly distinct directed so that we can generate n number of forms which contains a lot of tools in order to fill from the user side. Menus. Some operating systems are designed with a menu based user interface. Menu based interface ideal for situations where the user's IT skills cannot be guaranteed or in situations where the required selections to be made from the varieties. Natural language processing. This is the kind of interface which helps to the users to enter response to be questioned by the computers. The questions are displayed on the VDUs and the answers are entered via the keyboard. This kind of interface is called a natural language interface.